catch criminal.
Pop, 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 pop. Larva, larva, larva rangers.
Surprise!
Pop, 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 pop. Larva, larva, larva rangers. Black Ranger, move out!
I will go anywhere when someone needs help.
Thank you, Black Ranger!
Pop, 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 pop. Larva, larva, larva rangers.
Surprise!
Pop, 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 pop. Larva, larva, larva rangers. Brown Ranger, move out!
Come with me to save the world!
Shark egg, what's in it? Shark egg, take a guess. Shark egg, what's in it? Surprise! Baby shark, do-do-do, baby shark. Very, very, very cute baby shark. Shark egg, what's in it? Shark egg, take a guess. Shark egg, what's in it? Surprise! Mommy shark, do-do-do, mommy shark. Very, very, very kind mommy shark. Oh! Shark egg, what's in it? Shark egg, take a guess. Shark egg, what's in it?
Surprise!
Daddy shark, do-do-do, daddy shark. Very, very friendly daddy shark. Shark egg, what's in it? Shark egg, take a guess. Shark egg, what's in it? Surprise! Grandma shark, do-do-do, grandma shark. Very, very, very sweet grandma shark. Shark egg, what's in it? Shark egg, take a guess. Shark egg, what's in it?
Surprise!
Grandpa shark, do-do-do, grandpa shark. Very, very, very funny grandpa shark. Hello guys, come over here. It's shark time.
It's the shark family.
Do you want to race with me?
Yeah! Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Tell me what is in the pink egg. Surprise! Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. A large cruise came out of the pink egg. Would you like to relax on the cruise with me? Yeah! Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Tell me what is in the yellow egg. Surprise! Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. A motorboat came out of the yellow egg.
Would you like to enjoy speed with me?
Yeah! Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Tell me what is in the black egg. Surprise! Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. A cargo ship came out of the black egg.
Let's put a container on a cargo ship.
Yeah! Pop, pop, pop.
Would you like to explore the ocean with me?